Hey there, savvy shoppers! Are you tired of paying full price for your moving needs? Well, have I got news for you. Stick around and learn how you can save big with UPAC discount codes. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special offer. Alright, let's dive in. UPAC is already known for its affordable moving services, but did you know you can save even more with promo codes? That's right, folks. Why pay full price when you don't have to? First off, let's talk about where to find these magical UPAC discount codes. Check out coupon websites, sign up for UPAC's email newsletters, or even follow them on social media. They love sharing deals with their loyal followers. Just a few clicks and voila, you've got yourself a sweet deal. Now let's go over how to apply these codes. It's super simple. When you're booking your move on UPAC's website, just look for the promo code box at checkout. Enter your code, hit apply, and watch those numbers drop. It's like magic. Who doesn't love seeing the price go down? But wait, there's more. UPAC offers a variety of discounts depending on your needs. Whether you're moving a small apartment or a big house, there's a code for you. And don't forget to check if they have any seasonal or holiday promotions. Moving in the summer? There might be a hot deal just for you. And here's a pro tip. Combine your UPAC discount code with other deals. Some credit cards offer cash back on moving expenses. Double the savings. It's like stacking up on those delicious discounts. Yum! Before I wrap this up, let me remind you to click the link in the description below to get your special UPAC discount code. Don't miss out on these amazing savings. Moving is already stressful enough, so why not make it easier on your wallet? So, there you have it. Go grab those UPAC discount codes and start saving today. Happy moving, and may the deals be ever in your favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow deal hunters. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Click that link below. Bye.